channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade sweet and tangy barbecue sauce and how to make homemade buffalo sauce. This is an easy recipe, just requires a lot of ingredients. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. We are first going to do our homemade sweet and tangy barbecue sauce. To start off, you need a cup and a half of ketchup. So you got a cup and a half of ketchup. You need 1/3 cup of witchy juice sauce. One-third cup of dark brown sugar. You need 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of water. 2 tablespoons of honey. One tablespoon of cider vinegar. 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. And what I have in here is 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3/4 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And you want to mix all of that together. You want to turn your eye on medium to high heat until it comes to a simmer. So we're just going to stir this. Which I'm going to get a whisk so I can whisk it. Make it a little bit better. There we go. Now that we whisk all that together, you just want it to come to a boil. And then after it start boiling, then you just want to turn your eye down. But once it start boiling, I'll be back. Our barbecue sauce, as you can see, is starting to simmer and bubble up. So we're just going to stir it. Gonna turn the eye down now. Because I'm going to turn my eye on 4. And I'm just going to allow it to simmer on 4 for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Our barbecue sauce has cooked for 20 minutes. As you can see, it simmered for 20 minutes. It has bubbled and popped everywhere. So if you don't want to clean up a mess, you can just put a top on it. If not, then you just have to deal with the mess of it popping and splashing everywhere. But all you're gonna do now is just take it off the eye, put it in whatever container you put it in to allow it to cool before you put it in your refrigerator, and that's it. Sweet and tangy homemade barbecue sauce. Look at that. all that goodness. Our barbecue sauce has cooked for 20 minutes. As you can see, it's simmered for 20 minutes. It has bubbled and popped everywhere. So if you don't want to clean up a mess, you can just put a top on it. If not, then you just have to deal with the mess of it popping and splashing everywhere. But all you're going to do now is just take it off the eye, put it in whatever container you put it in to allow it to cool before you put it in your refrigerator. And that's it. Sweet and tangy homemade barbecue sauce. Look at that. All that goodness. Now, on to our homemade buffalo sauce. I have cleaned up the mess from the homemade sweet and tangy barbecue sauce. So we start fresh. So you're gonna start off, you're gonna get 1 stick of unsalted butter. Mine is just a little frozen. I took it out earlier, but it's still a little frozen, but it's okay. And you want to turn your eye on medium to low heat. So I have my eye set on 4. You want to get 2/3 cups of Frank's red hot sauce, not the buffalo sauce, the hot sauce. Okay, 2/3 cups. And just get my spatula here. Okay. You want 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. A 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder. And you want to use kosher salt to taste. So I suggest you mix all these ingredients together. Make sure the butter is melted completely before adding the salt. So I'm just gonna give my butter time to melt, and I will return. My butter has melted. Got a little piece right there left. So we're just gonna whisk it together. Now that it has, the butter has melted completely, now you can taste it to see if you need to add, or if you want to add any salt. I'm gonna add just a little, like when I say a little, we're gonna go with a 1/2 teaspoon. So a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I wouldn't say no more. I mean, you can, but it's up to you, your taste. You add salt to your tasting. So now we're going to stir that in, and I'm gonna let it sit and let it simmer for 10 minutes. our buffalo sauce has simmered for 10 minutes. It should look like something like this. You just mix it together. Like that. Turn your eye off and just place it in your container that you're going to refrigerate it in, but let it cool completely before refrigerating. There you have it, our homemade sweet and tangy barbecue sauce and our homemade buffalo sauce. So you want them to cool completely before put them in the refrigerator. Just a reminder, especially with the buffalo sauce, the longer it sit and cool, the thicker it will get, because I know it looks watery now, but the longer it sit and when you put it in the refrigerator, it's going to be thick. Just to throw that out there. But there you guys have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my homemade easy tangy barbecue sauce and this buffalo sauce. Comment below and let me know what you think about this video. Also, give my video a thumbs up, okay? A thumbs up. So until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.